I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here, covering more than $1,000 in profits this week. Made nice run. Markets were up and hot, all the way up from last Friday. So running all week. Only one small day where the markets pulled back just a little bit on Wednesday. Right over here, you can see it, and making a nice big run and closing strong this week. Let's go ahead and jump into that. But before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on my future videos, and also make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media. Alright, let's go ahead and look at a recap on SPY. So looking at an overall 1-year chart, making nice bounce off that low, making higher lows and as it follows and bounces off the 200 SMA line, making that MACD into the green, and also RSI reaching that little overbought, overextended region, but definitely settle for 280 break this week. Hit 279.99, just 1 cent away from 280, so definitely needs to be breaking over 280 next week. So covered a lot of profits this week, over 1K in profits. So talked about these in my last video. TQQQ and SOXL swing trades, more than $5 to $10 per share profit on that one. And also we had big wins on all 4 of these option calls. Next big winner was Visa. This kept running. When it hits up close to 40%, that's where I take my profits on my option calls, at least the swing calls. So stuck to my rules and took profits on Visa. I let my winners run. So nice profits on that, 37% profit on that, just in less than a week. And also CME, nice profits on that. And next thing was MasterCard, so that's very similar to Visa, has a very similar price pattern on the chart, and also the company as well. So all the way from 9.25 to 12.6, so $335 in profit in just a week on that call. So about all in all, a little bit more than, give or take, 1K in profits covered this week. So my positions right now, I'm actually looking to play earnings on BAC, so it's Bank of America. So looking at the yearly chart, every time it hits that earnings, makes that drop and then goes up. So I played last 5, 10, 15 earnings and same price pattern every time. So JPM actually had earnings, good earnings, but brought down by Wells Fargo as they fell and missed earnings on that one. Bad news. So banks actually took a hit in the morning and they went up. Same price pattern last time that we saw. Let's go ahead and zoom out. Let's go in right here. So falls in the day and then goes back up. A little hard to see from the zoomed out graph, but same price pattern. So I actually added more and alerted this in the tab, options alerts tab today. Added to my BAC calls for July 27th. That I have 28.5 calls. So added on the low dip right here and made a nice move. Just moved sideways towards the close and actually saw a lot of big buy volume. You can see the trend going up in aftermarket. So looking for personal target 29.5 for exit on Monday, and I have long calls on this which I'll hold, but looking for a nice run to 30 by end of next week. Next thing, CME, I'm still in the position. Looking at the MACD, just about crossing over into the green today. So making that nice jump over, MACD crossed over. That's a great buy area at the low. I've been alerting this since 160 area. So anybody who caught that, more than $5 to $6 per share profit so far. Big move on this. Should be running to about 170, 172 or so pre-earnings, and then post-earnings looking for 175 to 180 on this one. I'll definitely play earnings on that as I have a January call. Next thing, I have picked up a swing trade on DHI. So I saw it was oversold, so I actually entered my position at 40.86. So I'll tell you why I entered this on the low when I saw it dropping. So zooming out into yesterday on the chart here, let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. So yesterday we saw that drop all the way down to 40.6. As soon as I saw it crossing over the VWAP at that area, got in at that 40.86 and actually went up all the way to 41.97. So that's more than $1 per share profit just in one single day, and came down just a little bit, didn't sell. My target was 42. I see this running more next week. Saw a lot of buying volume towards close today. So my price target selling for is 42, but might increase that, or actually sell half my position there and then play the rest half into the earnings potentially. But let's see how markets play out next week. But I'm looking for 42 plus for a sell target. But market's looking good so far. SPY really needs to break over that 280. Again, this week just touched 279.99. Didn't break over 280. So that's a big resistance since the market started crashing from February. Alright guys, hope you guys had a great trading week. I know we did in the chat room, and I did myself. A lot of profits all around. If you want to get live alerts like these, make sure to head over to our website, pinnacletrading.us. You can scroll down and grab a 1 week free trial at no cost. And you can also grab a membership if you're interested to join immediately. And we have simple month-to-month plan pricing. Gold is your most favorable plan, and the diamond, if you're a new trader, intermediate trader, we have one-to-one mentorship access for that. So we teach you tips and tricks, charting, and how to take trades and sell at the right times in the mentorship access. Alright guys, hope you guys have a great trading week, and I'll see you guys next week.